in 15 August 1947, but the country was still in turmoil because of internal conflicts and social disharmony. All India Radio also was divided into India and Pakistan. Only a few stations were remaining inside India. So at the time, the government felt need of a powerful medium which can reach out to the people and they can bring harmony and spread the news of unity. So they decided to install stations in different parts of the country. The first Chief Minister of Assam, Bharat Ratna Lokapriya Gopinath Bordoloi, after whom the Guwahati International Airport is named, requested the government to set up a station in Northeast India. So the government installed the one station each at Shillong, the then capital of Assam, and Guwahati, which will design and broadcast broadcast in tandem. Purushottam Das, who was working as staff artist in Calcutta radio station, was brought to Guwahati. At the time, the musical theatres were very popular among the people. They actually spread the message of unity and call for harmony among people. Purushottam Das took the production in charge of such musicals. This song is written by him. This song calls for unity and harmony among the people from the plain and the hills. This also celebrates the festive mood of the independent country. Thank you.